Hello friends, welcome back to my kitchen once again. Hope you are all doing good. I have made fish curry. I have made fish fry too. But today, why not something extra special? Crispy outside, soft and flavorful inside, delicious golden fish cutlets. Come, join me as I make these yummy fish cutlets. Here I have about 350 grams of rohu fish. That is, in English it is rojo labio. Heat a pan, add the rohu fish, add the salt, pepper, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Close it and allow it to cook until it is soft. Here is the fish cooked nice and soft, and the other ingredients I will introduce one by one. We need 3 boiled potatoes for the binding, 1 big onion or 2 medium sized onion, green chili, ginger, garlic, coriander leaf, curry leaf, garam masala, and of course salt and pepper we will be adjusting as and when we are proceeding the cooking. Chop all the greens finely. I have listed all the ingredients on the screen here. Here is pepper, garam masala, and of course salt. Here I am deboning the fish. Deboning is necessary here because I am using fish with bones. We don't want any surprise bites later. And if you want to skip this, just go for boneless fish. So after deboning, shred the fish pieces like this. Now peel the potato skin and mash and keep it aside. Now heat a pan, take 2 teaspoons of oil, saute all the greens which we have crushed except the coriander leaves for about 2 minutes. I am adding a half teaspoon of pepper here. Once the greens are ready, in goes the shredded fish. Stir everything together and cook until the excess moisture is gone. If you are still watching, that means you liked it. So give me a thumbs up and tell me in the comments. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for more tasty recipes. Here I am adding a teaspoon of soy sauce that is completely optional. Then goes the garam masala. Stir well. And add the salt accordingly. Switch off the stove. Then we will add the mashed potato. Mix everything nicely until it binds well. Again, here I am adding a little sauce. As I said earlier, it is completely optional. Next, I am adding the coriander leaves. Mix it all well together. Now, I am combining everything with my hand because we have to make the balls. For binding, I am using a smooth maida and corn flour slurry instead of egg. I am adding a little salt and pepper to that slurry. Mix it really well so there are no lumps. We want a smooth, silky slurry for perfect coating. Now take the fish and potato mixture and shape it as you like. I am going with the oval shape here. We need some breadcrumbs too. So take the balls, dip it in the slurry and coat it with the breadcrumbs one by one like how I am doing and keep it ready. Here I am going to shallow fry. You can either shallow fry or deep fry. Friends, it may look like everything came together in 5 minutes, but behind these short clips, there's a lot of careful work and patience. Yes, of course, behind every tasty dish there's effort, patience and beautiful story. And the sweetest reward is when someone truly enjoys it. So, here are my golden crispy fish cutlets. I couldn't resist tasting one, and truly, it tastes as good as it looks. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback with me, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next recipe, take care and happy cooking.